Yep,
while
definitely.
while while moderate basket can earn around 6 to 8%, 8% to 10%.
Mm-mm.
Moderate basket, that's a mix of government bonds or bonds with equities na yon. While
Oh,
the third basket is aggressive basket,
uy.
which means it's kind of risk, but
Mm-mm.
it depends to what's inside of the basket. There's
Ah,
a basket sa aggressive that has a 30 multinational like yan yung equity fund basket. Iba-iba yan eh
mm.
in every mutual funds companies. Pero that aggressive funds, marami siyang basket inside of that basket.